Hi, my name is Dalton McQueen, and I am an assembler for ShopSabre. I've been working for ShopSabre for about 4.5 years. Before coming to ShopSabre, I was a welder for a couple different companies, and I was also a general contractor for roof siding, gutters, windows, and garage doors. My experience at ShopSabre has been pretty good. I learned what needs to be done, and now when I come to work, I'm able to just come to work and get my job done. In my free time, I like to go fishing. I have a boat. I like to take my dogs to the park and go for walks and hang out with my fiance. For someone who wants to come to ShopSabre, I highly suggest it. It is a great work environment. There's support from everyone in every department that you go to. You can come here and you can create a career all on your own. Your life can be completely changed with ShopSabre.